We now determine the points of intersection of the plane and the line. So here we have the plane equation 6x plus 7y equals 10, and the line equation x minus 1 divided by 7 equals y plus 1 divided by negative 6, and it is equals z minus 5. So I can write down this as z minus pi divided by 1. So first I'm going to write down the parametric equation of the line. We write this as like this. First let's write down in the symmetric form, and this equals y plus 1 divided by negative 6, and this equals z minus 5 divided by 1 equals let's say it is t. And so we can now equate this expression equals t, that is x minus 1 divided by 7 equals t. And so this implies x minus 1 equals, multiply both sides by 7, we get 70. So we can now add 1 to it, so we get x equals 70 plus 1. And now we equate this expression to this t, so therefore we will get y plus 1 divided by negative 6 equals t. So y plus 1 equals, multiply by negative 6, we get negative 60, and subtract 1, we get negative 60, negative 1. So we write y equals negative 60, negative 1. And finally, we equate this expression z minus 5 divided by 1 equals t. So we get z minus 5 equals t. And when we add 5 to both sides, we get z equals t plus 5. So we write z equals t plus 5. So these three are the parametric equations of the line. Basically, they give the coordinates of any point on the line. Okay, now that we have determined the parametric equation of the line, we substitute the coordinates of x, y, and z into the plane equation and solve for t. So let's do that. I'm going to plug in x equals 70 plus 1. So therefore, we have 6 times of 70 plus 1 plus 7 times of y. We replace y by this expression, that is negative 60, negative 1, and this equals 10. Let's solve for t from this equation. We have 6 times of 70 is 42t, and then 6 times of 1 is 6, and here we have 7 times of negative 60 is negative 42t, and then 7 times of negative 1 is negative 7, and this equals 10. So we have 42t and negative 42t. So these two cancels out, leaving as 6 negative 7 equals negative 1, and this equals 10. So we end up with the situation, that is this equation is not true for any value of t. This is not true, and so this implies that there is no point of intersection between the line and the plane. And so we can see that there is no point of intersection, and this means the coordinates of the point of intersection, we see that the answer is does not exist. Also, we see that the line does not lie in the plane.